Hey guys, I'm Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to talk to you about our favorite topical hemp balm, kind of a topical pain reliever that we use with my family and our patients. So I'd say 19 out of 20 people come back and buy some more of this. It works really well. I think 80% of Americans have low back pain, for example. We all have these aches and pains and arthritic things. So we always want to find weird ways to basically allow those issues to feel better without toxifying our body with the steroids, without other chemicals. Chemicals are absorbed into your body. When you put something topically onto your skin, it's absorbed within seconds into your bloodstream. So when I say the cleanest, most effective one that we've used a lot of other brands that you've heard of, all the topical things you can get at Walgreens and some of those places. This is by far the cleanest one. This is just hemp balm oil. It also has some peppermint, some camphor, some ginger. It's all essential oils. It's an incredible topical. It gives you that cooling, kind of cool feeling, helps all those joint aches and pains. We literally apply it to almost everywhere in our body if we have little ailments. I rub it on my kids. My daughter does gymnastics. Her legs are aching a little bit here and there throughout the week. She loves this balm, and it's the cleanest one. We have to be careful with this stuff. We have to be weird. Don't go buying the mainstream, very common brands out there. A lot of them are filled with chemicals, and heart disease is the #1 killer and cancer is #2. We have to all be more aware of what we're putting in and on our bodies. So by far our favorite are hemp balm oil.